weight class, Prizm number 2. All right, now that the NFL draft is over, what do you guys think? I know the Bears are going to be expensive. Where is a short print or a 101? A 101 Prizm would be something, huh? I am, you know, a lot of Raider fans are happy about it. I'm not. I'm just not into this 17 safeties thing. I know that was our weakest spot, but Jesus, you don't have to take the whole draft to figure it out. You're still the Browns, Brandon. You are still the Browns. Last time you guys were good was Jim Brown was on your team. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. We got Cron Gracie. Cron Gracie red. Featherweight. That is men's featherweight is Manual. 170 of 275. 170 of 275. We got a welterweight silver. Song Kenan. Rookie. Silver. For the welterweight. That is Gary. Connor. Who are the redemptions in this? And we got Gustafsson, heavyweight. Alexander Gustafsson. 43 of 199. 43 of 199. Heavyweight. Men's heavyweight. Michael. Cron Gracie purple. Cron Gracie purple. 141 of 149. 141 of 149. We're going for his rainbow. Neil Magny, excuse me. Neil Magny, silver. Neil Magny, silver. Welterweight. Gary. Derek Lewis. Alexis Davis, flyweight. Alexis Davis, flyweight. Doug. That is 28 of 99. 28 of 99. Doug. And we got Dan Henderson. Dan Henderson, middleweight. Damian. Mojo. That is 3 of 25. 3 of 25. Nate Diaz. Stockton Slap. Ketlin Vieira. Bantamweight. Blue. That is 40 of 199. 40 of 199. And that is Michael. Red, Vivian Arrojo. Flyweight. Doug. Red to 275. We got Drew Dauber. Drew Dauber, like an aqua color. 23 of 49 lightweight. 23 of 49 lightweight. Joel. Oh, silver. Donald Cerrone, lightweight. Joel again. Donald Cerrone. Joel. Silver. Let's see who we got. Amanda Ribas. Amanda Ribas. Red. Strawweight. That is Brandon. 64 of 275. 64 of 275. Miguel Beza. Welterweight. Miguel Beza Mojo. Welterweight. And that is Gary. 12 of 25. 12 of 25. Nice hit. Will. Jimmy Flick. Purple. Jimmy Flick. Purple. Flyweight. Flyweight was Doug. 73 of 149. 73 of 149. Muradov, middleweight. Muradov, middleweight, blue. 56 of 199. 56 of 199. Yan, Peter Yan. That is 10 of 75. 10 of 75, bantamweight. That one is Michael. Bantamweight, Peter Yan. Anthony Smith, light heavyweight, silver. Let's see. Light heavyweight is Brandon or Frank. Shogun. Jeff Neal, welterweight. Jeff Neal, welterweight, purple, Gary. Beza sold for $275, huh? 27 of 149. Khabib. There we go. Silver. There you go. Nice hit. Nice hit. For the lightweights. That is Joel. Nice hit. I bet that fetches a couple pennies. John Jones. I have no idea what that is, but it's stuck to it. And Jimmy Flick Red. Jimmy Flick Red. Flyweight. To 275. To 275. That is Doug. These are nice cards, though. Jeremy Stevens, featherweight. Jeremy Stevens, featherweight. Silver. Demian Maia, welterweight. Welterweight. That is 20 of 99. 20 of 99. I honestly have no idea. I don't know any of the fighters, man. I wish I did. I just don't watch fighting. Matt Schnell, flyweight. Matt Schnell, flyweight. Doug, silver. Doug's hitting a lot of silver. We got Covington, and this is the end of it. Whoops. Khabib. That's what you want. One of his stuff's still hot, huh? All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Robert Whitaker. Robert Whitaker. I will have to look up his weight class. Robert Whitaker. He is middleweight. That is Damien. That is a base auto. All right, guys. Quick recap. Pretty quick because it is a single box.